In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a theme on your new WordPress website. In the previous video, I showed you how to install WordPress. Now, once you're in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes. There are many free themes that come included with WordPress. If you want a business theme, a free business theme, you can just type in business and it gives you all kind of options. I specialize in Genesis websites, so I am going to upload the Genesis framework and child theme. So when you buy a theme from any developer, they will either send you or allow you to download from their site a zip file with all the contents of the theme. With Genesis, it's a framework and a theme. So you want to upload the Genesis framework first. So you choose your zip file. And then you hit install. And then it's important that you hit activate. Okay. And now you want to layer the child theme. I looked on the studiopress.com site where the Genesis framework and child themes are located. And I chose the business ones. And of those, I like the Revolution Pro. So that's the one I'm going to add now. Once again, it comes in a zip file. And you install it the same way. And you click activate. And there is your Revolution Pro theme. In the next video, I'll show you how to customize your site. The great thing about modern sites is that you can just install a pack and the site will look just like the demonstration site. In the past, you would have to go through step by step in order to make it look like that. So technology is beautiful.